Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use Hot Hands foot warmers. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now the brand is Hot Hands and these are specifically the insole foot warmers with adhesive. This is a value pack that I got and I want to show you how to use them. They're actually really easy to use but slightly different to use than the hand warmers and the other types of warmers that they offer. So inside of this pack there is multiple single units right here, okay? And each of them is surrounded by this packaging right here. Now they're really easy to actually use, but essentially what you want to do is you want to open up the package, okay, and you can see that there are 2 insole foot warmers in each package. So you want to open up the package, okay, and you only want to open up the package when you're actually ready to use them. So I'm just going to try my best to pry it apart. I probably should have got some scissors, which I actually have over there. Let's see if I can open this package with my hand. I guess this is on purpose so it doesn't open up unless you want it to, but if I can just grip it, I can probably pry it apart. There we go. So if I can grip it, I can probably pry it apart. This is actually really smart packaging because, like I said, you're only going to open it when you're ready to use it. Just like that. So I'm going to just pry it apart. Come on. There we go. Nope, it's not working. We're going to try one more time, and if not, I'm going to go and grab my scissors that I have over there. Yeah, it's not opening. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab some scissors here with me over there. I have some scissors right over here. Okay, here are the scissors. Whoop, almost fell down. What we're going to do is we're going to open the package, just cut it a little bit like that. We're going to open it up just like that. Okay, all right. I'm really having trouble with these. I'm really having trouble. They're great. I've used them many times, but there we go. So now the package is open, and we're going to remove one of the insole foot warmers. Now you can see right here, it has an adhesive. So I'm going to bust out my foot right here, and when you want to warm up your feet, you just remove the adhesive, okay? Let's just remove the adhesive right here. One moment. There we go. So you're going to remove the adhesive cover, I should say, just like that, and you're going to expose the sticky adhesive. Then you are going to place it on the sole of your foot, just like this, okay? And you can see it sticks to the bottom of your foot. It says on the package, do not knead the unit, do not massage the unit, do not tear it, do not poke it. Just literally stick it to your foot, the underside of your foot. Place your foot in your shoe or your boot and just go on with your day. And what happens is over the next little while, they're gonna warm up, okay? And it says up to 9 hours of heat, okay? Now I've used these before and I haven't kept track of how long they last, but it's definitely been like a whole day. So like for like a whole day, a whole working day I've used them for. So they work really, really well and they last a long time. I don't know if it's exactly 9 hours, a bit more, a bit less, but yeah, they do last a long time. So you just wanna stick it to the bottom of your foot like this, and then you can go ahead and place your foot back in your boot or your shoe and just go on with your day. And over the next little while, it takes them a little while to warm up. So you start feeling them get warmer and warmer, but they work best in these like oxygen restricted environments like this. That's why these are specifically the insole foot warmers, because inside of your boot, they're gonna work really, really well because there's very little oxygen in there. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.